Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is air, wind, breeze and storm. So let's start. What is air? The gaseous mixture in our atmosphere is called air. It includes every gases that make up the atmosphere. And what is wind? Wind is the horizontal motion of air due to the pressure between two places. Okay, then what is breeze? Light wind has a soothing feeling, especially when it is a warm and sultry day, is called breeze. We can simply say that wind blowing at a certain speed is called breeze. So, what is the difference between wind and storm? A wind can be gentle or strong and it can be blow in any direction. In contrast, a storm is more intense weather event that is characterized by strong wind, heavy rain or snow, thunder and lightning. Thank you so much. I hope you like the video and you understand what is air, breeze and wind and storm. So if you like the video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel also. Thank you so much.